What you doing? So walk through the jungle. Do we see anything? I don't know, do we? Hi. What else do we have? What do we have? We have a yard full of crap. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. Dinosaurs! Ah! Bird bath. Yeah, we don't have a kid here, do we? Hey! Hey! Hey, you! Woo! Down goes baby! Uh-oh. Come here. Are you bleeding? Do you have your flesh wound? Let's see. Let's see. Flesh wound! Flesh wound, say hi. Say hello. You okay? Should we walk through the jungle? It's actually really fun when we have, when we've got trees with leaves. Right now we just have see-through bushes. See-through bushes! You gonna help? Oh no! Oh, is it broke? Uh-oh. Need a new hose. Hi, Daddy. Bird food. Toys everywhere. Suki. Hi, Papas. What are you doing? Hey. Suki. All right. Hi. Jax.
What?
Hi. You go on your slide? Go slide.
What?
Go slide, buddy. All right, bye. Bye.
Say hi, Daddy. Go say hi, Daddy.
See you later.
Daddy.
That sucks.